Kamari Robinson, watching the All-Star game. 1 year old, love the game. Come on, want to hit? Get ready, let's go. Almost. Come on. Come on, watch the ball. There you go. Come on, swing the bat. Come on. Swing all the way through. Get the balls. Throw the balls back. Put the bat down. Put the bat down. Come on. Throw 'em. Let's go. Throw the balls back. Throw it back. Another one. Let's go. There you go. Swing that bat. Let's go. Almost. Go. Throw the ball back. Yeah. Get the ball. Throw it with that hand. Yeah. Throw it with your left hand. Throw it. Come on. Pay attention to where you're throwing it. Almost. Pick it up. There you go. Get ready to hit. There you go. Good job. Get the ball back there. Throw it to me. Come on. Back up. Get ready. Come on. Go. Get the ball. Get the ball. Come on. I got one. What are you doing? T? You want to hit off the T? Okay, hold on. Hold on. Get on this side. Get on the side. Get ready. No. Hit the ball. You got to hit the ball. Let's go. Baseball. No, turn around. Get on that side. Get on the right side. Let's go. No, come on. Face me. Get over there. There you go. Come on. Put the ball on. Let's go. Put it on. Come on. Come on. Hit the ball, not the tee. Let's go. Get the ball. You hit the ball. Pay attention. Pay attention. There you go. Good job. Come on. Let's go. Sit still. Wait. Sit still. Go. There you go. Gotta watch the ball. There you go. Good job. Come on. Get the ball. Ain't no ball on there. Put the ball on. No, not that way. Don't hit it that way. That's why you missed. I said no. That's why you missed. You are so bad.